Welcome back to the Bird Chef. On this episode of Budget Friendly Meals, we're going to be making a chicken curry from the leftover chicken breasts. Let's get started. Alright, so first up we're going to take our chicken breast and we're going to shred up the meat. Just basically pull it all off the bone. Alright, so now we're going to heat up our pan. To do that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. As that's heating up, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Get that mixed in there. Now we're going to wait for that to heat up, and then we'll add our tablespoon of flour. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of flour in there. I'm going to stir it around until it turns into a paste. Alright, now to that we're going to add 2 cups of coconut milk. Stirring it in. And then we're going to let that heat up until it just starts to boil. And that'll start to thicken as well. Alright, now that that's been going for about 5 minutes, we're going to add our chicken in there. Get the curry all over the chicken. We're going to add 1 cup of mixed veggies. And we're going to season the taste with about a teaspoon of salt and a dash of pepper. And we're going to mix that in there. We get all those flavors combined. And we heat up that chicken and the veggies. Alright, now that's all cooked up and ready. We're going to serve that on our plate with our rice corn mix. And there we go. And there we have our beautiful chicken curry. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next budget friendly meal.